Please note that this tutorial on site backup and restore is meant for web administrators who has their test server set up in their local computer. If your site is already online and want to restore, then the interface is slightly different. There is a separate video tutorial on this topic, and you can still watch this video as the general concepts are the same. Thank you. Hello and welcome. This is our site. I just added some contents to it. I also added a subheading just in case we missed. That is done through configuration, site information, and just add a slogan there. And the contents, you can add contents through content and add content, and you can add article or basic page. So that's what I did. Now everything is going well for our organization's website. But the reality is there is always some bad people out there who are constantly trying to get into someone else's system and create a lot of trouble just for the thrill of it. Despite all the security, it appears our site is now being hacked. The title are messed up and the images are and all kinds of junk files like that. So how we are going to fix this? Fortunately for us, we have been backing up our system on a regular basis, so we should be get back into the original position as soon as possible. Okay, let's do that. In the last video tutorial, we covered how to back up our system. So let us look at our backup folder. Here, this is our website folder, and these are our backups. I have been backing up on a regular basis. This is our site folder, and these are our backup. Inside is the site web folder and the database script file. What we can do is we can use this to update our website. Before we correct our site, we need to notify our users. So the first thing to do is go to configuration and site maintenance mode. We have to put our site on a maintenance mode. There is already a standard message here. You can update this message specific to your organization. So putting the maintenance mode and save configuration. So configurations have been saved and nobody can access the site now. So go back to the site and say log out. So this is the message users get. This site is under maintenance. Even you cannot access the site either. If you click on it, it is not going anywhere. So how do we access our site? As an administrator, how do you log in? Don't panic. There is a link here, user login. User/login. If you enter there, you can get to the login screen. Use your credentials and password, login. Now you can log into your site. So this is your site. This is our web files, and this is our database script files. So what we need to do is we need to apply this to our existing site. That clears the bad contents. So let us do that. First, unzip the web files, highlight that and extract all. It will extract in here. Now it is unzipped. What you see here is a Bitnami Drupal 8 folder, and you may see another one folder in a folder. That's okay. So this is the file we need to replace. So these are the good web files we need to replace. It is easier if you open another file browser. File browser, we got there. So what we have to do is we have to replace this. This is the current site with this one. We have to replace this bad site files with the good one. It's a good idea to make a copy of it. Here I made a copy already because this is a compromised site. Maybe we should name it appropriately, right? The reason I do that because if something goes wrong, we can always get the site back. That's the idea. So what you do is you need to move this folder, this one, to here, which will overwrite this one. Before you do that, it's a good idea to stop the services first and close the browser. Let us do that now. So close it and services, stop all. and close it. You can confidently delete this folder now. Delete. Now that is deleted. Now move this folder over here. Make sure it is this folder there. This one, just drag around. Drag this side and leave it. So that will be moved. So that is moved. Next we update the database. Go to our Drupal Stack Manager. Open phpMyAdmin. Username and password. Go. So what we do here, we select the database and go to operations, and we actually rename it. Rename the database something like so this is the what's called compromised one. Go. Yes, confirm. So the database is now renamed. Now what you do is create a new database with the exact Bitnami Drupal 8. Bitnami Drupal 8. Create. So database is created. So that is that one. Then import our backup database script to here. So import, browse. This is our backup. This is our database script. Select that. Open. Don't change. There is no need to change anything, and just go. So it will run. It will populate this database. Please wait. Be patient. It says import has been successfully finished. The core is executed. That's very good. We can now go back to this site and see how it looks. Open, go to application, access Drupal. There we go. This is our Drupal site. Login with our username and password. Login there. So this is our site. There we are. Site is all clean, and everything is clean over here as well. The title, all the junk is gone. Now we are back into the original state of the site. Organizational users will be very happy with that. Another point is, if your backup is a few weeks old, it's a good idea to do an update of the Drupal. Go here and give what's called update.php and run it, and continue. No pending updates. So that means everything is up to date. Very good. So go to front page. It's all looking good. Our Drupal site is now up to date. That's very good. Once you are happy with all the update, you can go and delete the old files, like this one, compromise copy. You can delete. Now that is deleted, you can also delete the old database. Go over here. This is the old database, compromised one. In the PHP MyAdmin interface, click on Home. You'll find this page over here. Then click on the databases and select the compromised one. Select and drop. So we are deleting that database. Are you sure? Yes. The database is dropped successfully. This is our new database. So close that. So this is our new site. You can refresh it. So everything is looking good. So in this session we learned about how to restore our website from our backup. Thank you for watching.